Your 14-day action plan to start a gold IRA. In a world of rising inflation and market swings, protecting your retirement savings with a gold IRA can add real stability. With this 14-day action plan to start a gold IRA, you can move from uncertainty to confidence by following clear, simple steps. Physical gold adds diversification, long-term security, and peace of mind, making it a smart addition to your retirement strategy. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. 1. Day 1 to 2, set your retirement goals. Decide why you want a gold IRA. Are you looking for inflation protection or long-term stability? Choose what percentage of your savings you want in gold and write down your financial goals to guide your decisions. 2. Day 3 to 4, choose a reliable custodian. A gold IRA must be managed by an IRS-approved self-directed IRA custodian. Look for transparent fees, good reviews, secure storage partners, and experience with precious metals. 3. Day 5 to 6, pick your storage option. Gold must be stored in an approved depository. Choose between segregated storage, your gold stored separately; commingled storage, more affordable shared vault storage. Select the option that best fits your comfort and budget. 4. Day 7 to 8, open your self-directed IRA. Complete the application with your chosen custodian. Provide the required documents and confirm the account meets IRS rules for holding physical gold. 5. Day 9 to 10, fund your gold IRA. Add money using rollover from a 401k, transfer from another IRA, direct contribution within annual limits. Always let the custodian handle rollovers to avoid taxes or penalties. 6. Day 11 to 12, select IRS-approved gold. Choose eligible products like .995 gold bars, American Gold Eagles, or Canadian Maple Leafs. Avoid collectibles or jewelry, which are not allowed in a gold IRA. 7. Day 13, purchase and store your gold. Your custodian buys your chosen gold from a dealer and sends it securely to the approved depository. This ensures full IRS compliance. 8. Day 14, review documents and records. Check your receipts, storage confirmations, and account statements. Keep everything organized for tracking and tax reporting. By following this simple 14-day action plan to start a gold IRA, you can move quickly from planning to owning physical gold that strengthens your retirement. A gold IRA isn't just an investment, it's long-term protection for your financial future. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.